Okay, hello dear students, this is me again, but now I'm gonna talk about the second submission for our class project, okay? I don't know if you remember, I already talked about the objectives and methodology and the stages of those submissions. Now I'm gonna focus on the second submission, which is gonna be a writing activity, okay? So I'm going to invite you to write a 400 words persuasive text, okay, in which you will, first of all, describe the problem very briefly, okay? The problem that you found for the first submission. Remember that you already created like an attractive product to inform people about it, okay? Now you will have to write down a Word document, okay, in order to convince people that you have a solution for that problem, okay? So, secondly, you have to include, as I was saying, your proposal, okay, step by step, from your professional perspective. How can you solve that problem that you already identify at Javeriana University? When I say professional perspective, is because some of the problems that you found probably are connected somehow to the careers you're studying. If it's not the case, don't worry, you can do it from a personal perspective, okay? And of course, I need you to please include references in APA style in your Word document. When is the due date for you to send me that? October the 3rd. That's why I'm creating this video, because I probably, some of you don't remember that you have to send it this coming Sunday. So please take some time to execute this mission. As I was saying, 400 words, it's the maximum words, okay? It's the minimum words, it's the exact number of words that you have to include. If you have 390, well, it's okay, no problem. Or 405, 410, okay? But make it fit 400 words, okay? Not 500 or not 300, okay? No, 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 no. If you exceed that for a couple of words, it's okay. Or the same if it is less words, but not many. 360, 350, well, that is too few. So you should include 400. Over here, a couple of recommendations. Please do not translate, do not use electronic translators that Google or something like that, in which sometimes you write a 400 words in Spanish and you just copy and paste and then send it to me. Don't do that. And the other one, please don't copy and paste information from other authors. Okay, well, that would be considered plagiarism. So that's a serious problem. Don't do that. I'm telling you to use this text structure like introduction, body, and conclusion. Okay, that's the best way you can write this persuasive text. Okay, an introduction could be the description of the problem, very briefly. The body, well, you propose the solution, right? And as a conclusion, you may paraphrase the introduction or your thesis, okay, with a very brief explanation on what's your proposal about. Okay, that's what you should write in the conclusion, very briefly. So I hope you can do it well, because based on this you will work on the third submission that is for November. But well, now I want you to focus the attention on this second submission, which is a writing evaluation. Okay, please write down your ideas in a Word document and send it through Brightspace. Okay, well, if I go over here, it says this is the schedule. We already did the first submission. This is the second submission now. October the 3rd, send it by Brightspace in Buson. Okay, you will find it. Send a text or a Word document. Well, I prefer you to send me a Word document so I can give you feedback a little bit easier. Okay, that's all for this opportunity. I hope you can work very hard on this second submission and you can make it before due date. Bye bye. Have a good night.